Yo, yo, yo.
What's going on, guys? It's been a minute since we've talked to you guys. If we would edited videos.
So if we would have, we actually made videos, but we decided not to edit them because
we got lazy.
Yeah, pretty much. It takes time. It takes time.
COVID, guys.
But this one, for sure, we're gonna edit it. You know. But if you guys would have known from the videos that we did not upload, you guys would have known that we were working on this thing right here.
This piece of crap again.
But it actually broke down for the third time.
Well, actually, technically for the second time. Oh. Yeah, second time.
Okay, whatever. It broke down. It broke down.
Okay, it doesn't count anyways.
Yeah, technically.
It broke down.
The car broke down. And today we're working on it again. But
this isn't maintenance this time.
This is actually a mod. It's running good now.
Upgrade.
It's finally running good.
I got the tune's done. I got new wheels, or not new wheels, but new tires. And it's a new.
Yeah, honestly, a lot of stuff has happened.
A lot of stuff has happened, guys. Like my tire blew out, and I had to wait like 3 weeks to get tires in because they were back ordered. The ones I ordered were back ordered, and then I had to get different ones because I couldn't get those, and I wanted to drive the car, so I just got different ones. So
yeah, basically now we're finally doing a mod, but as you guys can probably tell by the title, we can't hide it no more. What are we doing, Angel?
The time has come. This is what I should have done when I first got the car, guys. So, sorry it looks like a bomb in there, but guys, we're finally bagging the STI.
So it's finally going in bags, and we actually already worked, or Angel already worked on it. I'm here as a supporter, you know.
Support, my boy.
Yeah. But
if I get stuck under the car, he's gonna pull me out.
Yeah, I'll pull him out. You know, I'll jack the car up. Anyways, guys, Angel already did some work to it, and he already kind of has the tank and compressors, dual compressor, already mounted. The management, great ass wiring.
Don't look at that wiring, guys. That wasn't me. Trust me, that wasn't my amp wiring. The wiring was already there when I got the car. So.
He just plugged it in. That was it.
I just plugged it back in. Well, guys, we put the first strut in. We should have showed you guys when before we took it off, but I guess you guys will have to wait until we're fully done. But guys, the fitment is gonna be good.
So earlier, Angel was showing me the fitment, but it looks good. We already got this strut in, as you guys can see. Coilovers out.
Hit me up if you guys are trying to buy them. For sale.
What kind are they, dude?
BC Racing.
BC Racing, and it's like the top.
They're with the Swift Spring upgrade, and they're the extreme low version, so they're like top.
Yeah.
You know.
So yeah, it's finally in. Oh yeah, I didn't notice. That one's red. Gold. But yeah, there's the first one in. The line. Did you already do the line?
I just ran the line right now. I ran it through what did I do? I lost the flashlight.
Anyways, guys.
Oh, found the flashlight.
Anyways, guys, here's the other bag. That's pretty much the struts that we need, right?
Yeah, that's the front struts.
Pretty much. There's the front. We just need to put the strut over here, and then the two rears.
Two rears, and then we'll see if it works or not. And
well, we gotta actually do the wiring for the.
Well, guys, it's
struts.
It's our first time doing. Well, Luis has done bags before. Like he's helped out.
I helped out. I was a cheerleader again.
Yeah.
I'm a cheerleader again too.
Yeah. So we're gonna see if my wiring is good or not. We're gonna figure it out. I'm just hoping that there's no leaks.
Yeah. What time is it right now?
It's like 6 o'clock.
I was looking at mine. My watch is off.
My watch is dead too.
Anyways,
like
guys, let me check real quick.
It's like 2, 3 maybe.
All right, guys. If this focuses, it won't focus. It's 3:38 though. You guys gotta believe me. It's 3:38. Hopefully we don't got that much. I'd say what, in 2 or 3 hours? No, 2 hours.
I'd say hopefully 2 hours if we don't fuck around.
Yeah.
You know, just fucking. All I need to do is on this side is put the wheel back on and then finish running the line to the back, and then we can move on to the other side. I want to do the two fronts first and then the two rears, so that way all the trim panels are off, and then the rears will be super easy.
Yeah. So we're gonna show you guys as we do. Alright, guys. Ready for the fuego? Put the tire.
And we got it in. We're gonna see what the fitment looks like.
Do your magic. Oh shit!
Guys,
so that's the fitment right now.
That's
Look
all the way.
at that.
That's all the way down.
It rubs a little, but that's fine.
Sometimes sacrifices have to be made.
Yeah, look at the picture though.
Don't look at that.
It's gonna look sexy.
Well, you gotta come out, dude. Don't worry, guys. New bumpers on the way soon, hopefully. With hopefully our YouTube money.
So
when it comes through.
So I don't think we ever showed this, but let me get a better.
When I was static.
Because my boy was static. Missing this. That's cracked.
Missing my little toe hook cover.
Toe hook cover missing.
My bumper's loose.
My boy, what'd you do?
So guys, I ran over a traffic cone.
Yeah.
Believe it or not.
At least it wasn't a kid, but that's what we're happy about.
There was no lawsuits.
Yeah.
We're good, guys.
But it'll be fixed soon, so don't worry about that, guys. Right now, the only thing that matters is that fitment, though.
Fitment, show them the before and after, dude. This is what I had my fitment before.
Oh, there's a fitment before.
This is the before fitment. Look at this. What is this? This is trash. I can fit my whole hand in there, guys. Look
Yeah.
Look at that. You see that? You can fucking... Alright?
Yeah. You can fit a lot of things in there. We don't want that.
We're gonna find out.
What? Anyways, guys, that's the first one. We're gonna show you later how the rear looks, but we're first gonna do this one.
Hopefully this one does the same thing as the other one. If
Yep.
not, then
We're fucked.
there's something's wrong.
Yeah. All right, guys.
We're not professionals, guys. Remember that.
Yeah, we just make it work. All right, guys. Just want to give you guys an update. So this is the
passenger side. You see that? All right. The other side's kind of closer.
Okay, I'm gonna show you guys the difference. So look at that.
So I can actually like kind of fit like my pinky in there, like, you know. All right, let's look at the other side. I guess it's about the same, you know. Okay. So we have good news and bad news. The good news is we got them in. The bad news, we gotta take this one back out. And we'll show you why. Because Luis,
No.
Luis, let me show you guys. Look at this. So you see how there's these nuts on here? I don't know if you guys, where's the light? There's like shitty lighting right here. Anyways, I don't know if you guys can tell that gold right there, that's not supposed to be there. That's another nut. So we literally put a nut on top of a nut. And we were wondering, when we were putting it in, we're like, dude, it's so hard to put in. And then now we know why. If you see that nut right there? Little, yeah, right there. All three.
But guys, in my defense, Angel had already put the strut in there. I just timed it. So I thought that's how it looked like, you know. I did see a little gold thing, but I was like, oh, you know, that's how it's already, you know. But yeah, in my thing, we both fucked up. 'Cause Angel threw the strut in like that already.
Guys.
Because I changed the camber.
So Luis, I told Luis to max the camber out, and he did. But I thought he took the freaking nuts off, and then he said that.
When I was coming back, Angel was already putting the strut in, and all I was doing was tightening it, but...
Well, guys, what I'm going to try to do is I'm going to try to lift both sides up, drop the strut, and kind of see if I can just loosen them from the top.
We can just do the top.
Yeah, it would be good. We don't have to take it all off. So, hopefully, we'll give you guys an update when we're finished.
Yeah, but we're not professionals, guys. So.
This is what we say when we're not professionals, guys.
Yeah. Don't make it work, but...
This is, you learn from our mistakes.
Yeah, exactly.
So, when you get new struts, make sure you take the nuts off, guys.
Yeah.
We'll see you guys here in a little bit.
Alright, guys. As you guys can hear, what's happening, Angel?
It's calibrating right now, guys. Watch it. It's going to move. Oh, shit.
Oh,
Guys, we're bagged.
Well, he's bagged.
How's that? Yeah, I'm bagged, guys. I'm sorry. Watch, it's going to move again. Watch.
Oh! Fucking lowrider over here, dude.
It's over. I'm ready to kill the game, boys. Yeah, guys, it wasn't that bad.
Guys, my boy Angel and Camper Gang, Scrape Fest, Stance Nation. Every major event in the United States of America,
Whatever
Angel's gonna be there.
I'm there. Wait, what's happening?
Okay.
I'm like, what's it doing?
I was like, bro. Alright guys, as you guys can see, we're getting it calibrated right now.
Calibrating right now. Turn up it'll focus. There you go. Taking fronts.
God damn. Alright guys, hopefully the next shot you guys can see how it looks more outside. Are we gonna do any more adjustments, or you think that'll be good for now? Hey, Angel.
I'm scared, dude. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this, dude.
Alright guys, we're gonna give you a couple little more updates here and there. Right now, let it calibrate. Do its thing.
We're just gonna calibrate, guys, and see what happens.
And yeah.
Yeah, we'll see what's up. What's going on, guys? So we never took an outro for the video and showed you guys the car, but I kind of just watched it. It still needs an alignment, but this is how it is right now. So I'll show you guys. My boy Oscar, shout out one time. All right, guys. This is the car right now. So right now, this is my ride height because I rub in the back a little bit, but until I can get an alignment, then I'll set it more better because the rears are pretty high, so I don't like that. But I'm gonna air it out for you guys. You already know. That 3P. Focus. Yeah, at least this camera sucks, dude. But guys, that fitment though. Hey, don't mind the curb rash, guys. That fitment though. Look at this. I mean, like, I don't want to scratch my phone, but like I can't even fucking. Hell no. This is how it is, guys. Look at this. Damn. That fitment. And guys, look at the fucking camera in the rear. Damn. Bro. I'm gonna put a Camera Gang sticker on my car now.
Yeah.
But this is how she looks right now. My setup. If you guys want to see it, just comment down below. We'll make a video on it. But oh, I can't do that. Never mind, guys. I lied. Copyright. No more copyrights. No copyrights around here, bro. You ain't gonna catch me lacking. Not again. Not after last time. Yeah. But yeah, guys, that's it. We just wanted to make a quick outro for this video to show you how it is. And like I said, life on air now, dude. It's fucking amazing, dude. The car doesn't ride so fucking rough, dude. And I can fucking lower it like this. Like, look at that shit, dude. Like, that's fitment right there. It's like, it's right there, guys. Yeah, dude. That's it, guys. This is how she sits, dude. Fucking low as hell. But that's gonna be it for right now. We have another surprise coming right now. You guys aren't ready for it. You know, you guys ain't ready for it. But you guys will find out in the next video. Maybe Luis might drop a couple of hits here or there, but we'll see. You know, follow his Instagram. I'll link it down below. Pop it up on the screen. And till next time, like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you guys later. Peace.